Hey, what's up, you guys? I'm here at Eden Nature Park, and uh, we are taking a tour for today. Anyway, we're going around. I wanted to take you with me, so that's why you're here. Gosh, our shoes. Nasira shoes mo? Oh my god! This is content.
Katagal-tagal ko na wala pa nagbalik sa Eden. Yeah.
No? When was the last time you were in Eden?
When this
4 hours ago.
tagal na kayo, Tali. 15?
2015?
Yo.
Oh, by the way, if you're wondering what this is
Basta opening
I hit my head somewhere and it bruised. So that's what happened. Not bruised, it's scraped. It is now lunchtime. I am super hungry. Look at that. Hi. Cuties. Gonna feed a deer.
So, dahil lang siya. Pag mag-move na gani, ayaw sa kayo ko, ayaw ko ada yun. Hulata sa siya ka lang, guyuro niya, so meaning na paak na niya ang taon. Na kayo ma-feel ka, wait. Ayan.
Wow! Ay, kabilis!
Wait,
Caught my first ever fish.
Nag-move pa ang worm.
Ew. Okay, so I'm about to do the sky swing, the something bicycle, and the zip line, which all you can do here at Eden Nature Park. And I'm not gonna lie, I'm kind of nervous.
Holding hands.
Holding hands.
Well, I was supposed to go on the ride, but it's raining. So now I don't know what to do because it's raining. No! I was so excited for it too anyway. I was super excited for all the rides that I could experience, but it's raining now, so I have to wait until it's dry, or like at least it stops raining before I can ride it again. Well, it's not gonna happen anymore.